In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce transparency in Canva. Whether you're designing a social media post, a presentation slide, or a simple graphic, controlling transparency is a great way to make your text stand out or blend in more smoothly with the background. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do that in a clear and simple way. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and have your design open. This could be any type of design, an Instagram post, a flyer, a presentation, or something else. Once your canvas is open, look for the text you want to adjust. If you haven't added text yet, you can do that by clicking the text option in the left-hand toolbar. Then choose a text style or simply add a heading, subheading, or body text and type in whatever you need. Now, click directly on the text box you want to edit. You should see a bounding box appear around the text, and a toolbar will show up across the top of the screen. This toolbar usually includes options like font, size, color, alignment, spacing, and other formatting tools. Among those options at the top, look for the transparency icon. It often looks like a little checkered square or a slider style symbol. Go ahead and click on that transparency button. When you do, a slider will appear that lets you control how opaque or see-through your selected text is. To reduce transparency, you'll want your text to be more solid or less see-through. That means you should move the slider toward a higher percentage, closer to 100. At 100%, your text is fully opaque and stands out clearly against the background. If the slider is lower, like 40 or 50%, your text will appear faded or ghosted over the image or color behind it. As you move the slider, pay attention to how your text looks on the canvas. This live preview makes it easy to fine-tune the exact level you want. If your background is very busy or detailed, making your text more opaque will improve readability. If you're aiming for a subtle watermark effect, you might want to keep some transparency, just not too much. Once you're happy with how your text looks, simply click anywhere outside the slider to close it. Your new transparency setting is saved automatically in your design, and that's all you need to do to reduce transparency in Canva.